Hello friends, so today we are going to learn 3-letter words. We will start with at family. Words ending with at. So let's start. Can you guess this animal? Yes, it's a bat. B-A-T, bat. Meow meow. Yes, it's a cat. C-A-T, cat. E-A-T, eat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. So like, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and goodbye.